In the world of natural medicine, few things have stood the test of time like the tiny black seed known as Nigella sativa. Often forgotten in the modern era of synthetic supplements, this potent botanical has been revered for over 3,000 years across various civilizations. Archaeological evidence shows these seeds were even found in the tomb of Tutankhamun, suggesting they were considered valuable enough to take into the afterlife. But what exactly makes this seed so powerful that ancient texts described it as a cure for everything except death itself? The secret lies within its complex chemical structure, specifically a compound called thymoquinone. Thymoquinone is a unique bioactive molecule that acts as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Unlike common antioxidants that simply neutralize free radicals, thymoquinone works at a systemic level to modulate the immune system and protect vital organs from oxidative stress. When you consume these seeds daily, you aren't just eating a spice, you are introducing a sophisticated biochemical messenger into your bloodstream. This seed contains over 100 different chemical constituents, including essential fatty acids like linoleic acid and oleic acid, which are crucial for maintaining the integrity of cell membranes. It also provides a rich source of plant-based protein, alkaloids, and saponins. These components work synergistically, meaning they are more effective together than they would be in isolation. In the modern landscape of high-stress environments and processed diets, our bodies are constantly under siege from environmental toxins and chronic inflammation. This silent inflammation is the root cause of many age-related diseases. By incorporating Nigella sativa into your routine, you are providing your biological systems with a defensive shield. Research has shown that the oil and the powder of the seed can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve lipid profiles, and even support respiratory health. Beyond these general benefits, there is a much deeper level of healing occurring at the cellular foundation. We are talking about the very building blocks of life. Most people think of health as just the absence of disease, but true vitality comes from the body's ability to repair and renew itself constantly. This is where the connection to stem cells becomes revolutionary. As we age, our natural reservoir of stem cells begins to decline in both quality and quantity. This leads to slower healing times and the gradual degradation of tissues. However, the unique compounds in the black seed have shown remarkable potential in stimulating the production and activation of these vital cells. By understanding how this seed interacts with our genetic expression and cellular signaling pathways, we can unlock a level of health that was once thought impossible through natural means alone. This seed is not merely a dietary supplement, it is a biological key that can unlock the body's innate potential for survival and thriving in a modern world. The concept of stem cells has gained massive popularity in recent years due to their incredible ability to transform into any type of cell the body needs. They are the body's internal repair crew, rushing to the site of injury or wear and tear to rebuild tissue. However, most people believe that the only way to enhance stem cell function is through expensive clinical procedures or invasive treatments. Recent scientific inquiries suggest a different path through the power of nature. The black cumin seed has emerged as a primary candidate for natural stem cell modulation. Studies have indicated that thymoquinone can actually stimulate the bone marrow, which is the primary factory for hematopoietic stem cells. These cells are responsible for creating new blood and immune cells, keeping your defense system sharp and your oxygen transport efficient. Beyond the blood, there is growing evidence that the bioactive compounds in these seeds can promote neurogenesis, which is the birth of new neurons in the brain. This is a game changer for cognitive health and longevity. As we navigate the complexities of aging, the brain often becomes susceptible to neurodegenerative processes. By supporting the activation of neural stem cells, the black seed helps maintain brain plasticity and memory function. This regenerative effect extends to the cardiovascular system as well. The endothelial progenitor cells, which repair the lining of our blood vessels, are also influenced by the presence of Nigella sativa's potent oils. When these vessels are kept in a state of constant repair, the risk of atherosclerosis and high blood pressure significantly decreases. It is essentially like giving your body a fresh set of tools to perform maintenance on itself every single day. Furthermore, the seed's ability to influence the WNT signaling pathway, a key regulator of stem cell self-renewal, means that it helps maintain the stemness of these cells, preventing them from exhausting themselves prematurely. This is why many researchers are now looking at this forgotten seed as a cornerstone of anti-aging protocols. It addresses the decline of cellular regeneration at its source. Instead of just patching up symptoms, you are encouraging the body to rebuild from within. This process of cellular renewal is not an overnight event. It requires consistency. By providing the body with the specific nutrients found in Nigella Sativa, you are ensuring that your internal repair mechanisms have the raw materials and the chemical signals they need to operate at peak efficiency. This leads to better skin health, faster recovery from physical exertion, and a general sense of revitalized energy. You are essentially turning back the biological clock by supporting the very mechanisms that defined your youth and vitality. While the regenerative properties of the black seed are impressive, its role in the fight against cancer is perhaps its most studied and celebrated attribute. Cancer is characterized by uncontrolled cell growth and the evasion of programmed cell death, known as apoptosis. Modern research has discovered that thymoquinone has the remarkable ability to identify and target cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. This selective toxicity is the holy grail of oncology. When cancer cells are exposed to the active compounds in Nigella Sativa, several things happen. First, the seed's compounds interfere with the signaling pathways that allow tumors to develop their own blood supply, a process called angiogenesis. Without a dedicated blood supply, the tumor cannot grow or spread to other parts of the body. Second, the seed induces apoptosis by triggering specific proteins within the cancer cell that tell it to self-destruct. It effectively flips the off switch that the cancer cell has learned to ignore. Research has shown promising results across a wide range of cancers, including breast, colon, prostate, and even aggressive forms of leukemia. Beyond direct intervention, the black seed acts as a powerful adjuvant therapy. It helps mitigate the harsh side effects of traditional treatments like chemotherapy and radiation by protecting the liver and kidneys from toxicity. It boosts the natural killer cells of the immune system, which are the frontline soldiers tasked with identifying and destroying malignant cells before they can form a tumor. To harness these benefits, integration into your daily life is key. The most effective way to consume the seed is to either grind it fresh or use high-quality cold-pressed oil. A common traditional method involves mixing half a teaspoon of the oil with a tablespoon of raw honey, which acts as a carrier to help the body absorb the nutrients more efficiently. If you prefer the seeds, lightly toasting them can release the essential oils, making them easier to digest. It is important to remember that because these seeds are so potent, a small amount goes a long way. Consuming them every morning on an empty stomach allows the compounds to enter the bloodstream without competing with other heavy foods. As with any powerful natural remedy, consistency is the foundation of success. You aren't just eating a seed, you are participating in a multi-millennial tradition of holistic health that is now being validated by the most advanced laboratories in the world. By making this forgotten seed a permanent part of your nutrition, you are taking a proactive stance against disease and a giant leap toward lasting vitality. It is a simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your health at the most fundamental cellular level. The profound impact of Nigella Sativa extends far beyond simple immune support, reaching deep into the intricate systems that regulate our metabolism and energy production. In a world where metabolic syndrome, characterized by high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and excess body fat, has become a global epidemic, this forgotten seed offers a biological intervention that is both gentle and incredibly powerful. When we talk about metabolic health, we are essentially talking about the efficiency of our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. The active compounds in black cumin, particularly thymoquinone, have been shown to enhance mitochondrial function, allowing your body to process glucose and fats more effectively. This is not just about weight management. It is about preventing the systemic breakdown that leads to chronic disease. By improving insulin sensitivity, the black seed helps the body transport sugar from the bloodstream into the cells where it can be used for energy rather than being stored as fat or causing damage to the vascular walls. This mechanism is crucial for anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day and avoid the devastating long-term effects of insulin resistance. Furthermore, the seed acts as a potent regulator of lipid profiles, naturally lowering low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol, while supporting the levels of high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol that protects the heart. This dual action creates a cardiovascular environment that is resistant to plaque buildup and arterial stiffness. As we dive deeper into the cellular biochemistry, we find that Nigella Sativa activates a critical pathway known as the NRF2 pathway. This is often referred to by scientists as the master switch for antioxidant defense. When this pathway is activated, it triggers the production of the body's own internal antioxidants, such as glutathione, which are significantly more powerful than any antioxidant you can get from food alone. This internal defense system is what protects our DNA from the constant barrage of environmental pollutants and radiation we encounter in modern life. By shielding the genetic code, the black seed essentially slows down the biological aging process, ensuring that when your stem cells do replicate, they are creating healthy, vibrant new tissue rather than copying damaged or mutated information. This is the true definition of longevity, not just living longer, but maintaining the quality of your biological systems well into your later years. The seed's influence also extends to the digestive tract, which we now know is the second brain and the seat of the immune system. The antimicrobial properties of the seed help balance the gut microbiome, suppressing the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi while encouraging the proliferation of beneficial flora. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, reduced systemic inflammation, and improved mental clarity, as the gut-brain axis is heavily influenced by the chemical environment of the intestines. Additionally, for those dealing with chronic digestive issues, the carminative properties of the seed provide relief from bloating and indigestion, making it a comprehensive tool for gastrointestinal health. When you consider the synergy between metabolic regulation, internal antioxidant production, and gut health, you begin to see why this seed was once considered a universal remedy. It doesn't just target one symptom, it reorganizes the body's fundamental processes toward a state of homeostasis. This state of balance is where true healing occurs. It is also worth noting the impact of these seeds on the liver, the body's primary filtration plant. In an era of fatty liver and chemical overexposure, the hepatoprotective qualities of thymoquinone are invaluable. It assists the liver in its detoxification phases, ensuring that metabolic waste and external toxins are efficiently neutralized and excreted. This internal cleansing is reflected outwardly in the health of your skin and the clarity of your eyes, serving as a visible marker of internal vitality. By integrating this seed into your daily regimen, you are not just following a trend, you are adopting a scientifically validated strategy for systemic resilience. Whether it is through the stabilization of blood sugar, the protection of the heart, or the revitalization of the liver, the black seed works silently and consistently to maintain the structural and functional integrity of your body. This is the missing piece in the modern nutritional puzzle, a bridge between ancient wisdom and cutting-edge cellular biology that allows us to thrive in an increasingly complex and taxing environment. Each tiny seed is a concentrated capsule of life-sustaining information, ready to be unlocked by the simple act of daily consumption. As you continue to provide your body with this consistent support, the cumulative effects begin to manifest as increased physical stamina, sharper cognitive function, and a robust defense against the stresses of time and environment. This is the power of nature's most forgotten and most potent biological tool.